Hi guys, so today I am solving 1657, determine if two strings are close on LeetCode. What this question is asking is it wants to see if two strings are similar, having the same amount of letters in each string. So if you are given 3 A's, 2 B's, 1 C, the other string has 3 A's, 2 B's, 1 C, not necessarily in the same order. You're going to see here that I actually realized I was still in the C# language, so I'm going to switch over to the Python language. Basically, this problem gives you two operations. The first operation is you can swap two existing characters. So in the example, it gives you the string A, B, C, D, E, and you can actually swap E and B, so you end up with the string A, E, C, D, B. The second operation is that you can turn all of one existing character into another existing character in the same string. So their example that they give is that there's string AAC, ABB. You can actually change the letters to BB for the AA portion, C, B, AA. So all the A's turn into B's and all the B's turn into A's. So you'll see on the screen that I defined two variables. I just renamed them count1 and count2. I used counter on word 1 and counter on word 2 to create a dictionary. The keys will be the letters, the amount of times that it shows up will be the values. I at first went through checking if the word 1 equals word 2, return true. You'll see later that I can actually remove that. My coding process is a lot of print statements. I am a visual learner, so I like to see what is going on. Here I am comparing the keys, and you'll see that the keys are the same, they just are not in the same order. So my thought process is, okay, I have to sort them so that they become in the same order, and then I compare them using the equal sign, the comparison. And then I run it again. The trick to this question, and I already had figured this out, operation 1 actually doesn't matter. We don't need to worry about operation 1. And the operation 2 also, we need to be aware of the rule, but we don't need to worry about operation 2 actually running. Here I'm trying to figure out how to compare the keys in both dictionaries. I already know that sorted is one of the slower methods to compare two lists. However, I also didn't really want to go through a for loop. Even though you see me going through a for loop right now. Here I am comparing the length of the keys to each other to make sure that there's the same amount of keys. Again, you'll see that I remove this. Here I'm trying to use the all function. However, this wasn't the function I actually needed because the get function returns the value of the key, not actually the list of keys. I tried to get the list of keys as well, but it just wasn't working for me. So I decided to change directions, and you'll see that I end up deciding to just get rid of the all function altogether, and I switched to sorted, even though I was trying to avoid it. Basically, I am checking to see if the length of the keys are the same and if the sorted keys are the same. And then you'll see that I refactor here as well. I'm missing a key part of this. The trick is you actually want to check if the values are the same. The keys and value pairs don't need to be the same in both dictionaries, but the values have to have the same numbers to work. So here I added the if sorted values equal the sorted values from the second list, then it is completed. This isn't the most optimized solution. However, you can actually end up making this one line. You'll see here, I actually end up removing a bunch of lines. So I was able to remove if word 1 equals word 2, and then also I was able to remove the return false statement. I thought I did, but I actually did not. I'm checking if the length is the same, and then I don't need the for loop either. Essentially, what this solution is looking for, is that the amount of letters is the same, the length of the string is the same, the letters in the string are the same. So you can actually use a set to check if it's the same, and then also to see if the amount of letters for each letter is the same. So an example is like you have 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's, but you have 3 A's, 2 B's, and 1 C. You won't be able to change the A's to match the A's in the other one. So we need to have, let's say, 3 B's, 2 A's, 1 C in the first string to be able to say that the strings will be close. Hopefully that makes sense. Here I'm just kind of refactoring, trying to make my code more optimized. I do end up, after I end the video, I do end up getting to the one line, which is why I know that you can make it one line. But basically, that's my explanation for this problem. This was LeetCode Daily as well on January 14th, 2024. This is also my first YouTube video going through code, so hopefully somebody made it this far. And yeah, if you would like to see more coding videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm also going to have some lifestyle videos and art videos. My goal for 2024 was just kind of to put myself out there more and share my passion with others. And I will be releasing a bio video soon as well. That kind of gives my background and hopefully gets you guys interested a little bit more. But yeah, thanks so much for watching.